Check out the views. And Ella, amazing. We lucked out. I talked to a local who said the last 4 days, not a local, but actually an American who's been here for 3 months. He said it's been raining the last 4 days before yesterday when I came. So I got so lucky, and wish me luck as I do Adams Peak in a little bit farther away from here. My Russian friends are going on to do what's called Little Adams Peak today, and I don't have time to have to catch my tour to Candy, but this shall be a great day.